Okay, so we have changed the DNS settings at Namecheap and pointed it towards our A2 hosting account. What we can do now is go into our hosting account and actually install WordPress. Now we can still do this even if the domain name hasn't finished pointing correctly. Okay, so if we go across, we're back into the client area at A2 hosting where we were, and you've got these options down the side. You've got your login to cPanel. That's the one we're going to do. So just click on there, and this will open up your control panel. Okay, so as you scroll down, it might be in a slightly different order, but this is where you control all the back end of your website. Don't worry about any of this if it looks confusing. I'm only going to show you certain elements of it that you actually need. Okay, here you've got Softalicious Apps Installer, and the first one is WordPress A2 Optimized. This is because I'm on the Turbo account. If you're on the standard account, it will just have WordPress. Okay, so click on there, and then it'll ask you to install. I'm going to go on a custom install, and here I've got lots of different domains. Just find your domain. If this is your first one, it will be the only one that's there as an option. Okay, we're going to give it a site name, which would be your business name. Oops. You can come in and we can change all these later. Change your admin username. Or just use the default ones. Your admin email, I would change that to your local one. I always just use my Outlook one. But you can use anything there, Hotmail, whichever, just because this is where it will send you automatic details. Okay, down here, click Install. If you're not sure about any of the details, what you can do, and it will email you the installation details to this account here. Okay, it'll just take a moment or two. Okay, so once this is actually installed, you'll receive this page. Okay, here on the Turbo hosting, you get something called the Easy Hide login, which is a plugin, which means that your login page becomes this to hide it from potential hackers and stuff like that. So please make a note of that. However, what I do, I actually remove the plugin. So I'm going to show you how to quickly do that. So to remove the plugin, if you just come back out of here and you come back to your control panel, go to File Manager, click in File Manager. Obviously yours will have a lot less, but scroll down until you reach here, Public HTML. Click on there. I want to go down to the actual website, which might help, which is Makeup Artist Gateshead. Now in here I've got WP content. Yours will be exactly the same. Plugins, and here you have Easy Hide login. So click on that and just delete it. Okay, once that's deleted, what it actually means is that the little funny address at the end will not be your login details. You'll actually log in at something WP-admin. However, you can leave it in place, but you've got to remember that address all the time. Okay, so that's that. That is WordPress installed, and once it's actually installed properly and your hosting is all connected,
When it's all done and connected properly, when you type in your domain name, makeupartistgateshead.com.co.uk, you'll see the WordPress install file. If you're seeing this, what it means is that the actual connection hasn't completed yet. So just wait out. Once it does finish and the server's IP address is all correct, it will all link together